Hi guys, in front of me is HOTWAV T5 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, unroll the list of all apps, go to settings and select wallpaper. Choose the source from which you want to mark your wallpaper. It can be something from your own photos. You can go with default wallpapers. Also from this panel you can skip to photos. So just pick the one that you want to apply, then customize it however you like. For example, like this. Click on set wallpaper, then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on you've got this brand new wallpaper on your home and lock screen, as I marked both. So this is it. That would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.